Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a low content book for Amazon KDP. So first of all, the low content book is something like a planner, a kids book, activity book, or because for example, a notebook or a journal is no content book because all of the pages are repeating and are the same. But low content is something like a planner, or which and low content means that the customer can fill it out. For example, a coloring book is also a low content book, so you can create coloring books, planners, and so on. You can actually go on Amazon KDP and look for it yourself. Now I just looking for avocado planner, for example. So let's click on this publisher. As you can see, the book size is 8.5 and 11. So we can actually use it for the sake of this video. We're gonna use this size for our planner. Also, I'm gonna go to create the Fabrica, and I just wrote down low content books, and as you can see, you can download the low competition niches, for example 460 KDP low content book niches. You can actually download this and do your own research from that file, and maybe you will find a good niche. Also, word search, as I said, low content books are like an activity books for kids, for adults, and so on. So you can actually find the niches on Create Fabrica also, and of course you have to do your own research after that. But yeah, I will leave the Create Fabrica link in the description below. If you didn't already signed up for it, you can do that. It costs like $19 a month or something like that. And yeah, that's that. Now we're gonna go to Canva, where we're gonna start creating our planner. I'm just gonna click on create design, custom size, and we're gonna create an 8.5 times 11 inches. And I'm just gonna create here a interior of the book. So the first page most of the time is, for example, this planner belongs to, and you can leave it something like that. Of course, you can add your own elements, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Now the second page I always leave blank, and on the third page I start creating, for example, for our planner, we're gonna of course need a like a contents page where we're gonna write down our contents, like for example daily, then weekly and monthly planner. And we're gonna divide all of them, for example daily, so we're gonna add some weeks, and so on and so on. So now on this page we can start creating like a monthly planner, for example. So I'm just gonna go to templates so that this video would be way quicker. So let's write down planner, and maybe let's write down monthly. And as you can see, here it is, some planners for 2024. If you have Canva Pro, you can definitely use some of those. Of course, you need to edit them a lot. So I'm just gonna add, for example, this one. Oh, it's just for the pro version, so let's try to find free versions. Let's choose this one, for example. Let's add it to our page. You can leave this cream color, but I will make it white. Now, this is a monthly planner. Of course, you need to edit it, add your own elements, so it wouldn't look the same as this creator just created it. Because a lot of people can use this and you will not be authentic. So what I suggest is to change the fonts, change a lot of things actually. We can do something like that. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. Now, maybe I wouldn't suggest to change all of the, here it is. I'm just gonna change some of the fonts, and here now of course I need to add some elements. So for example, let's search for some flowers. You can of course use it from Canva, but if you have Creative Fabrica, I definitely use Creative Fabricas, because there are some people who got their account terminated when they used Canva's elements. So yeah, keep in mind that. Now we can also add some more elements. So I will add something like that here. Make it to the back. So yeah, that's that. Now we're gonna create a daily planner. So I just chose this planner and edited it a little bit. Let's add the same elements to this one. For example, something like that. You can add as much elements as you want, and the more the better, because it will look way different than the other publishers are doing. So that's that. And after that, you just basically copy and paste the pages. You can actually click right here, close grid view, or you can click and grid view. Now you're just gonna click this one, and as you can see, to duplicate the page, here it is, Command D for me. So you can click Command D and it will duplicate the pages. Of course, you need some other months for to create the dated planner, and also you can search for a weekly one. And add it to your design. So now I just created a monthly, weekly, and daily planners, and now you need to put them in the right places. So for example, you do a monthly planner, then a weekly one, and after the weekly one you want to add 7 days and repeat it every single time. So let's put all of those aside. So as you can see, here it is, a weekly one, a monthly one, a weekly. So 1 week, 7 days, then a second week, and then you will add 7 days. And you do this for every single month. And yeah, after that, you just basically download it. When you will edit everything, add your own elements and so on, you just basically download it as PDF print. And if you have Canva Pro, of course, choose best for professional printing. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's how you create a KDP low content book, like a planner. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.